Ganese in Burnley. Some greens.
Greens, me a feed Nigeria. Purge, me a purge out.
Look on to the old man, you know pass run again. Greens. I not hear him. Maybe not come on outside.
Kitchen. Wash the greens. Wash the greens. Put that one nice little butter. Wash the color with greens. Alex food you did and now purge, you come back and purge. Purge in time. Purge. 3 times. More of this. A lot of salt. You know? Steam design schemers.
See bleach up here on the ground. It's better than a rondo.
No, I'm like a black shirt. I'm going to show guys one black one. I'm like your tongue.
Making ladies say no panax. Mama.
I'll go back up one time. I'll go back up one of them time. You call me and they say, tell them you don't want to jerk pork. So. Oh, nice place, not telling you. Whole backyard.
Can't move there, so kind of, there's a little bit of color there. You don't can't color like you know. I have to put enough garlic, so I mean, I want to go in.
Will you eat one of the white onion? Yeah?
Wow.
White onion.
White onion?
Be red onion we eat over some.
Oh.
And the cabbage. Red cabbage. Are the deodorant to the spray?
Sorry, we have to test it.
This sick mental money can't spray this thing and money.
Pass some cup, give it to you. A season in the Maggi season in that, you know.
Is that?
Yeah.
Season up.
Then I put on garlic season.
Garlic in there, man. Just want to put down all the bit.
Garlic chop down then so.
number, look at. I'm gonna buy one chip today, myself. Later on, you know. Some color greens.
Your team, my lesbian, you know.
Pretty done.
Yeah, then
are
check
cussing.
me. My lesbian.
He married to a woman.
Eh?
He married to a woman and further.
Me want to know if you know work. Every day.
They say him born with penis too, you know.
Eh?
They say him born with penis too. And both organ they say him born with. All one bread sandwich.
Like to know what kind of dashing. Ziggy say man cook banana aki put it the aki in ice skin and the banana in ice skin and I cook like a
It's good. This tastes nice. Good. So that's the callaloo greens with whole wheat bread. Simple, less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, right now I'm making some callaloo greens without saltfish, olive greens. Virgin time.